Next, we learn the concept of longitudes. We can call this longitudes, or some people used to call longitudes. Okay, the longitudes of the place is the angular distance of the place east or west of the prime meridian. Already I told you the middle line from north pole to south pole, the vertical line we call this prime. This is a straight line, we call this prime meridian. Okay, from there this side we call west hemisphere, this side we call east hemisphere. From there we can make a degree. Okay, this is 0 and the end will be the 180. Same thing, this is western side, and this side also this is 0 degree and goes 20, 40, 60, 80, and like that it goes to 180. Okay, both the side it has the degrees. Okay, the prime meridian is the line. This is the chief meridian. Meridian means longitude. This is a chief one. This all meridians are same size. Okay, whereas in this latitudes are different in the size. Okay, the pole is very small and the middle equator is very long one, so that does difference, whereas this longitudes are same in size. Okay, we'll read this. On the globe, longitudes are shown as a series of the semi-circles that run from the north pole to south pole, passing through the equator. These lines are called meridians, meaning midday, as all the places on the same meridians have their noon at the same time. Okay, next, unlike latitudes where equator is the only one great circle dividing the earth into two halves. This is the one. This is the equator. Okay, this equator is dividing the earth into two halves. That is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. This is the middle line. Okay, this is the biggest circle. Okay, and if you go up Tropic of Cancer, down Tropic of Capricorn, all a little less in size, and if you go beyond that Arctic Circle and down Antarctic Circle is smaller than that. So this is the biggest circle in the latitude, whereas in the longitude all meridians are complete circles dividing the earth into eastern and the western hemisphere. Now you understood? Yes, this is the while the meridians of the longitude are imaginary lines. See children, this is not the drawn line, or already is not on the earth. Just for our understanding we are drawing line and telling this. Now, drawn north and south meeting at this poles. Longitude is the angular distance of the meridian from the prime meridian. In the figure, 40 degree is the longitude of the 40 degree east meridian. See this one. Okay, this is the prime meridian. From there it's 40 degree east, this side 40 degree south. Okay, now we'll come to know with this globe. Okay, already I showed you globe. See, can you see this lines? Yes, this lines, all vertical lines from starting from north pole to south pole. Yes, these lines have some degrees. Okay, we start this Greenwich prime meridian in London. Okay, can you see London here? Yeah, this is the line we have. This is the prime meridian, this blue line. Can you see the blue line here? Yes, this is the one. Yes, this is the line, and this side we call west side and this side we call eastern side. Okay, that's why the eastern side, Japan is first, we are getting the sunrise in Japan. Okay, slowly it comes to China and then India, then it goes to London, then only it comes to North America. Okay, so if you see this, London is the prime meridian 0 degree. The back of that London is 180 degree. Okay, that is the back of the London is 180 degree. Yes, this is the 180 degree. So we call this international date line. Okay, we call this line international date line. Okay, the front part is 0 degree, it's in London. Okay, the back of that semicircle is back of that 180 degree completes. Okay, see, think of that. Just imagine this is 0 degree, next to 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, like that it goes and goes back to the west hemisphere. This end with the west hemisphere, that is 180 degree. Same thing with the eastern side, is goes to east side 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, like that it end with the 180 degree at the back. So this place we call international date line. Okay, when we are getting the sunrise in Japan, it is in dark night in the west, that is North America. Okay, so the sun rises in the east, slowly it passes through these countries and comes to this, and this way it's coming and coming to the end of the North America. Yes, so the one day ends. So when Japan gets morning, in the early morning, and this back of this we have North America, it gets night. Okay, so this is the Greenwich time, that is it started in the London 0 degree, and slowly the western hemisphere 180 and the eastern hemisphere 180 it goes, and the back of that we call that international date line. Okay,